Hi there, it's Cindy Ferentz, independent consultant and senior team leader with Sunset Gourmet. Welcome to the 10th recipe in this freezer meal series. The last recipe we're going to show you is our turkey meatloaf with pineapple glaze. The featured products in this recipe are spinach and herb seasoning, our Oso garlic, and our Oso onion. So what you're going to need to make it is 2 to 2.5 pounds of ground turkey. So what I'm going to add to this, we're going to actually make the meatloaf part of it first, and then there's going to be a separate bag you're going to put together the glaze, and then we're going to put it together in a big bag. Okay, so I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of spinach and herb. So this is basically a cupful. I'm going to add a teaspoon of Oso garlic, basically about 1/8 of the cap. Okay. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of our Oso onion, which is going to be actually about 1/2 cup, and I just went over that. Okay, doesn't have to be exact. And then I'm going to add about 1/2 cup of chopped red bell pepper. I've pre-done this just to save a little bit of time in the assembly. Okay. And then the other thing I'm going to add to this is I've got 2 whipped eggs. I've whipped them before I put them into the bag because it's just going to make it easier to mix them. Okay. Just going to seal up the bag, take some of the air out of it, and then just mix all the ingredients together. Nice thing about this is by doing it in the bag like this, you don't get it all over the place and it doesn't all get all over your hands. Okay, just making sure everything's all mixed in and the seasonings are all in there. Okay. Okay. And what you want to do is just flatten this out, so it kind of looks like a little bit like a loaf. Okay, so that's the meatloaf portion, and I'm just going to take as much of the air out of it as possible, and then just set that aside. The next step, as part of the recipe that we're going to do, is the pineapple glaze. So you need a can of 8-ounce can of crushed pineapple. I'm going to use one of the sandwich size Ziploc bags. Dump this in. Okay. And then you need an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. Okay. Scoop this out. Okay, set that aside. And then I've got a tablespoon of honey. Okay, set that aside here. And then we've got 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Throw that in there into the mix. Okay, and then I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of Oso garlic. Just a sprinkling in the lid. Okay. Oh, this smells delicious too. Okay, and then seal the bag up and then just swish everything around. Get it all mixed up in there. Okay, and what I'm going to do is get rid of some of the extra air. Okay, so this is going to be the glaze. When you go to put your meatloaf in the oven, you can pour the glaze over top of the meatloaf. And then the final step we're going to do is put the bag of meatloaf and the glaze into the bigger Ziploc bag. So, take all the air out. There you go. You've got your turkey meatloaf with pineapple glaze. So I hope you've had fun today. I've enjoyed spending time with you and sharing our 10 freezer meal workshops with you. If you'd like to know more or would like the recipes for this, please feel free to contact me. And my email address is cindysgardenofeden@gmail.com. My phone number is 604-802-1099. Thanks again for coming, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. There'll be another video come out in a little bit that's going to share with you some specials that we're running, and also a kit of Sunset Gourmet products that you can purchase to make these items for yourself or at home. Thanks again, and thanks for joining us.